Hello, good people. Hello. Hey, I am back. I need to prime my eyes. Bedoop. I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion Shine Control Primer. Primer on. Have a little fan. Dry primer. Primer on. Now the base. My base is on. To have fun. Now I will set my base. I will set my base. Base is done. Base is done. Okay, I want to do my brows. Oh Lord help us. Brows look like it's on point today. People, remember, I am not a professional. I am doing this because I'm loving it and having fun with it. So hang with me. Have fun with me. Today's makeup is by IZMC New York. And I got this at the dollar store, so we will call this a dollar store makeup. Dollar store makeup tutorial. Those are the colors. There are 4 colors in the palette. Dollar store makeup. The birds are singing outside. It's beautiful. Let's have some fun with makeup. Brow bone today first. Ooh. Let's see, fall out. Let's see how this dollar store makeup does. I have hoodie's eyes, so I try to do the makeup that will fit my eye. Open, it's fine. Close, everything disappears. So I try to create something that works for my eye. I'm taking care of the brow bone. Progress. Progress. Eyes are coming along. Now I'm putting the color on my lid. I'm putting the orange. Look, orangish. Almost like an orange brown. Again, this is from the dollar store. Dollar store makeup. I like my colors to look a whole lot better than that, so I'm gonna use my white color crayon to put over my lid. I'm putting it over my lid so I can get the color to pop. I like color, I want color. This does nothing for me, see? Okay, let's try that color again. White pencil, base, regular base. So we do the next one. I want that color, baby. I want that color. We are fixing. Blending, blending, blending. Want to make everything looks good. I'm putting a darker color in the V section of my eye. Doll Up store, from the Doll Up store, eyeshadow. No. Dollar eye makeup, dollar store eye makeup. And I am back with the finished look. Dollar store look. This is it. This is it. Please tell me which two pieces of makeup you would not be able to live with. Like, if you had to pick two, only two, which two? My two would be eyeshadow and lipstick. Those are my two. So this is the dollar eyeshadow look that I created today. Please like, please share, please comment, please share. Sharing my videos help my views, help my channel grow. Please subscribe. I love playing with makeup. I love doing different things with eyeshadow. Some days they come out good, some days they don't come out good, but I post them so you can see the good, the bad, the ugly of me putting on eyeshadow. We're all different, we do things differently. Enjoy life, have fun with your makeup. And again, always remember self first. Love self plenty. Self is important. Take care of self. Enjoy self. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.